Everybody. So I know I haven't been creating videos, but the reason being is because I haven't really been feeling well. But I wanted to share and give you guys this video because I wanted to share a very important tool that I found and I came across, and I think it's going to be very helpful for you. Before I do that, I want you to like, comment, subscribe because this is going to be very informative, and do that now. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Also, I am not doing a giveaway this time for zero point 0.1 ETH, but I am going to give you something even better. I'm going to teach you I'm going to be giving you the playbook on how to make money from NFTs, the ultimate guide, everything you need to learn from picking out the projects, and this information I haven't released anywhere, and I'm planning to sell this at a good price, roughly around $300-400. But I'm going to give you, as you are a follower, subscriber, and one of the first few people to comment, like, subscribe. And I'm also going to be saying an emoji and throughout this video. And if you comment within the first hour of the emoji that I said, then you will be given, okay, this is not a raffle, it's given, you will be given the ultimate NFT playbook. Okay, so let's get started and pay attention to what emoji I will be saying, because that is a secret pass. Okay, now in the past I created a video on how to flip NFTs, the best way to flip NFTs, and everything related to NFTs. Before I do that, you can see that in the NFTs right now, the volume is increasing. The volume for NFTs, and I can pull up other charts, but the crypto market is currently down. Let's just pull that up. So the crypto market is currently down right now, and what's going on is all that volume is shifting to the NFT market. Now the NFT is still on the rise, and let's capitalize on this opportunity. If you have been holding on to projects, then this is going to be a good time to exit since the volume is high. Now, once the volume slows down, then it's going to be a good time to get into, blue chip projects. I don't know what your level is in terms of, are you the volume. Some people that are listening to my channel they have a lot of money, 6-7 figures to play around with, and there are some people that are pretty much new to the whole NFT flipping. So I have my listeners are from every part of experience and level. So what I'm going to be sharing with you is a tool that is new, and not many people are using this. And there are a lot of tools out there are paid. A lot of tools out there are paid. They're asking you to, you know, um, they're asking for $100 per month, or depending on which tool it is, it can be $25. But I know some people are on a tight budget. So I'm going to give you the tool that is going to be free, and it's going to be a good way to start off your NFT journey. So this is video is more for beginners are on a tight budget. But if you've been following the whole NFT collection, the Mutant Ape Yacht Club is on a tear right now. Like, this thing is a beast. But their floor price, I remember it was about, I was looking, a couple of my friends actually bought the floor. It decreased down to 4 ETH, and that was about a couple, maybe like a month ago or two. I don't know the exact date, but now it has almost tripled. Not almost tripled, but clearly doubled, tripled. Anyways, what we're going to do is I'm going to be sharing you the tool. So that tool is called, right here, Rarity Ranks. And Rarity Ranks is pretty simple. If you use rarity tools, right, there's a feature where you're going to be able to look at a project. You're going to be able to look at a project, and then not this part, rarity tools. As you can tell, I am not feeling well. So you can look at projects and you can see the rarity, right? Uh, it tells you the ranking. And this can be time consuming. You have to go back and forth, you have to click, you have to see the score. Obviously, it'll tell you all of that stuff. But what this tool does is it basically, see, I already have it installed. It'll basically tell you the rank once you are on OpenSea, and it'll just tell you the ranking. So let's just use this as an example. It's already installed. First, you just have to click this, and then it's installed. You just accept, and then obviously we're going to be looking to flip. So we go to buy now, or we can even send offers. But in this one, we're just looking for the ones that are looking to sell right away. Now, see, ranking right there. Right away, it tells you the ranking. It'll view on rarity ranks. So it'll tell you the ranking, and then it'll show you on rarity ranks. And it's just basically like rarity tools, but faster and more convenient. So instead of just, these are the ones that are the rare, but here you can just see which one is going to be the ranking on their image, right? You just scroll. Okay, for example, this one is ranked 16945, and you're selling 14. You do your calculations. You see what the floor price is. Obviously, this is not the project that I would be getting into right now. Let's look into other projects. All right. Because not everybody can afford Mutant 8 Club. So let's just look at a project where a lot of people, everybody knows about Kaiju Kings. So right here, Kaiju Kings. Reload. It's a bit laggy right now. Bear with me. Okay, let's just go to the Dodge Pound. Okay, so floor price 2.14, ranking offer 2.14. These are the ranking, and the lower the ranking, the better it is. And that's just basically it. Very simple tool. Here you can click Twitter, Discord, and all the other things. You can view rarity ranks, and this is just other features that are coming out is you will be able to see the upcoming projects, the list projects. You will be able to advertise. The chart is coming in soon. The extension is already here. You can search for a project. You'll see. You can click this to see, the trade counts. How many trade counts are there? We can change the theme. We can hide the menu. We can go to their Discord, Twitter, right? And it's just basically simple. It's a rarity tools, but it's more convenient because it'll just show you on OpenSea instead of just going back and forth into those. Now, if you want to go to, let's say something else, we can find out which one we like, and we can send offers. But for this example, we'll just click the buy now who's ready to sell. And if we, I already On my other videos, I already talked about what criteria to look for when it comes to flipping NFTs. And then you apply those things, everything that I've talked about in there. And then based on your decision, based on your experience, based on what the market is going, where the project is going, then you can pull the trigger and flip that. But this is pretty much it. Pretty simple, quick. Oh yeah, the emoji. The emoji that I would like for you to use in the comment section is the star emoji. So if you comment with the star emoji within the first hour of this video released, then you will get, okay, there's no raffle, you will get my NFT Ultimate Playbook Guide for 2022, usually at $399, and I'm going to give it to you for free. And that's how much I love this community. I'm not trying to make money from this community. I'm just going to build something amazing. Stay tuned because I have more videos coming out, more fire videos. I've been experimenting on some stuff and I want to share that with you. Peace.